Hi, this is a demo of the new GE capacitive switch. So the way it works is you can just tap it and it will go on or off, on, off, on. Now you can slide your finger up or down to reduce or increase the brightness. And it's reasonably responsive. The other method of dimming is that you can hold your finger on the bottom and it'll dim. Well, that time it just turned off. No, it's not working. There we go. It's a little bit finicky, but you can hold your finger on the top or the bottom to lower or increase the brightness. I'm not sure. I think the drag is a little bit more intuitive than the touch and hold. Even that is a little bit hard to use sometimes. I find when I go to tap it, sometimes if you do it a little bit too lightly, it doesn't work. I find my finger also sometimes bumps into these ridges on the sides, which don't actually have the capacitive area is in between them. Um, but I mean, it works. It's not my favorite switch. Um, and I'll report back after I have some guests at my house try to use it and see what people think about it. But it works.